everybody, it's Ninja Cuber here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's a Rubiks 4x4. So, it's been a while since I've had a 4x4. Who am I kidding? My 4x4 broke on me. I think I told you guys this before. Man, I want to save this box. I also have another unboxing for you guys, but I'll show you it later. I'm actually gonna make this unboxing video right now, as you're seeing, and I'm also gonna make the other unboxing video. Alright, so let's get into this. Oh, by the way, do you like my shirt? Team Elric. It's funny. It's because Full Metal Alchemist. My name's Elric. Alright, and here's the 4x4 in a wrap, like usual. And here's the Rubiks stand for it. Okay, so first turns. Not bad. It's been forever since I've done 4x4, so nope. Cannot corner cut. Needs lube. That's obvious given. Ugh. Holy shit. It is tight. But at least I am able to do it. And 4x4s make a good potential 2x2. And if you wonder why I'm looking over there, it's because I have a timer going because I'm making a pizza. Alright, so quick 2x2 solve here. You can even do 3x3 solves on this. It's crazy. So far I'm not hearing that crunch noise that I got from my old one. I mean, yes, it sounds crunchy, but it's not giving me that one crunch noise that I always got with turning my other one. And this thing's tight as fuck, so it's not gonna pop anytime soon. Alright. Not bad for a 2x2 solve. Although this is really bugging me. But I know how to change it. Because luckily it uses 3x3 method. So yeah, here's the Rubik's Cube 4x4. Here's the stand. And here's the box and all of that shit. Let's put you back in your box there, Mr. 4x4. So yeah, Rubik's 4x4 right here. Just in case if they like try to melt or not, whatever. I don't know what I'm fucking saying. Okay, and I made a pizza, so I'm going to pick it up now. Oh. Yes, I am recording this all on camera. Alright. You go off. You go off. I'm going to turn that thing off before it beeps. Well, and I'll make this like, holy crap, 6-minute video. Mash! Mash! Come here! Oh. Stella! What's up, little bro?
Your mom is so ugly. She's uglier than a tortoise's wiener.
That's gonna be on YouTube, by the way. Made pizza.
Wait.
What you just said. Yep. I also unboxed a 4x4. So yeah, I'll make the Rubik's Twist video. Hey everybody, I'm back again, and we already unboxed this thing. So now it's time to unbox the Rubik's Twist. Now, you guys know me with my cubes. This is the one cube that I've not unboxed and played with. This is the only one that I've done it. So, and I've done that with the Rubik's Twist, as you can clearly freaking see. So yeah, this is Rubik's Twist. And I gotta say, actually moves pretty good. And right off the bat, I knew how to solve it. So. So yeah, Rubik's Twist. My rating for the 4x4 is like 10 ninja stars. No, not 10. 5 ninja, 5.5 ninja stars. Rubik's Twist, I gave it about over 9,000 ninja stars because this is just interesting to me. Did you see it? Did you see it there? Over 9,000. For those of you that didn't get what I meant, it was a Dragon Ball Z reference. So, yeah. Many different things you can turn this thing into. Holy crap. Hey, Trevor. Look.
Cool.
So, yeah. That's the Rubik's Twist for you guys. So, I'm not even gonna bother putting it back into the ball position in this video because it would just be a waste of time. And I got dishes to do, so yeah, I do my chores. This is so cool. So yeah, Rubik's Twist, Rubik's 4x4, and I got a 4x4 now again. So you should expect to see some 4x4 solving videos. Don't remember if I have any on my channel. I will check. But yeah, let's put this baby in a tower. Nice. Like that, making it a tower, so I'm just gonna make it a structure. There, and there we go. Rubik's 4x4 and Rubik's Twist, or although most people call it a Rubik's Snake. On the box, it's clearly called a Rubik's Twist. Sorry I didn't make a Friday with Ninja Cuber video. I was having a little uploading troubles and didn't have time to make the video because I had work. But if I'm not busy next Friday, I will definitely make a Friday with Ninja Cuber video. Oh, hey, Tetris. I made it in a Tetris shape. Hey, yo, bro. I made it in a Tetris shape. But yeah. I will catch you bros later. Not bros, ninjas. I'm not PewDiePie. So, how was your guys' Thanksgiving? Leave me a comment. Leave a comment in the video. And if you're all wondering about the logo right here, or right here, either here or here, it's a gamer video app. That's the app that I'm using to merge my videos, and since I have an iPhone, it's putting a watermark on it. Now, probably I'll do to an update, but I don't know. But yeah, if you're wondering about the watermark, that's either here or here. Maybe here. I don't know. Or maybe it's here. But yeah, if you're wondering about that watermark, it's not my own doing. It's from an app, and you can pretty much get the app from the App Store. It's a free app, or you can pay for the app. I pretty much would go for the free one because it would allow you to edit your voice that it's like high or low, like high like a chipmunk or low like a monster. It will do echo. It'll do like vision effects, like invert color, all that stuff. You can check it out in the app. Because I can't explain all of it. But yeah. So, so I'm gonna have a 4x4 again. Ah. At least this one hasn't popped yet. Yep, it is the same brand. And there's my pizza. I always got my pizzas into 4s because it's even. I don't like 8 little slices. So I've been rambling on too much, so I will end the video right here. And here's my 4x4. Here's my Rubiks Twist. Oh, be prepared to see some videos on this puzzle right here. So yeah. Well, once I turn this video off, I'm just gonna put it back in the shape. So. Alright, peace out, my ninjas. And we'll eat Friday with Ninja Cuber. That's all I'm going to say. See ya.